First, we're asked to find v of 1. That means the radius is going to be 1. So that's 4/3 pi times 1 cubed. So that's just going to be 4/3 pi. And then, and you can also enter that as 4 pi over 3 in your homework assignment. And then v of 2 is going to be 4/3 pi 2 cubed. And 2 cubed is 8, and 8 times 4 is 32. So 32 pi over 3. And then r plus 4. Well, we're going to have to cube r plus 4. So let's just do that now. R plus 4 cubed. I'm going to rewrite that as r plus 4 times r plus 4 squared. And I'm going to square this one first. That's r plus 4 times r squared plus 8r plus 16. Now I got that by doing r plus 4 times r plus 4 times r plus 4. And now let's distribute the r. That's r cubed plus 8r squared plus 16r. Now distribute the 4 plus 4r squared plus 32r plus 64. So that's r cubed and 12r squared plus 48r plus 64. So if I'm finding v of r plus 4, that's 4/3 pi times r cubed plus 12r squared plus 48r plus 64. And I'm going to write that as, I'm going to multiply 3 by the 4. And that gives me 4r cubed plus 48r squared plus 192r plus 256 times pi all over 3.